Hi everyone!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year 2022! So we're still here. Sorry, it's been a while since we've uploaded a video. We haven't really been out in the van very much, so we thought we'd do a really quick update on what we've been up to. And so we hope you enjoy this video.
So actually the last month or so we've gone from heavy rain to really cold. Winter actually has hit here, and we've had everything from, I think, a polar vortex it was called, so temperatures, you know, even colder than -11 for us, and that lasted for a significant period of time, and that was followed then by uncharacteristically a large amount of snow. I think we had close to 15 centimeters of snow.
And we actually had a white Christmas,
yeah.
Surprisingly, and I think it's the first one we've had in 20 years in Vancouver, so that's
that was
amazing.
Pleasant.
Yeah.
We were thinking of going out, but the weather forecast, literally as we were driving here to the van just to check everything out, we're getting storm weather warnings, and it looks like we'll have another 15 centimeters of snow this evening, so we're probably not going to be out camping for a few days yet. Maybe on the weekend if it gets milder. But in the interim, we've actually been doing a couple things, I guess. We've been out doing a number of hikes. We've done short hikes, where anywhere from, you know, sort of an hour to maybe 3 hours, going up the side of a mountain, coming back down, playing in the snow. We often call them fitness hikes. So just enough to stay in sort of hiking shape, but not enough to really take us too far from home or use up against too much time in that sense. And they're enjoyable. We're fortunate we live in an area where there's lots of parks that we can visit.
And in case you've been wondering, Finch is doing really well. We had our first Christmas and New Year with him, and he's getting used to us, and we're getting used to him, and we're having a lot of fun. We're trying to train him on leash, I think we mentioned in our last video, and we have managed to put the leash on him, but we've only just sort of taken him out on our deck just to try it out.
Yeah, he's not too difficult to put on the leash, but he doesn't get that once he's on leash he can kind of walk. He just either sits or lies down. So we've got to work on sort of training him to walk when he's on leash. He doesn't seem to mind it. We did take him out the other day on our deck when there was about 15 centimeters of snow, and he stepped about 2 inches out and then just jumped back into the house. So I don't know if he wasn't interested in the snow or just didn't really feel like going out.
Yeah, and we've sort of been debating on how we're going to introduce him to the van. We've talked about maybe going for a one-nighter and just trying that out, or maybe just taking him for a day trip just to get him used to the van. So it's going to be interesting process, and we'll try to share all of that with you.
Yeah, one of the differences between I think Finch and our previous cat, Precious was quite a bit older, so she wasn't interested in getting outside, and so she actually, the van life seemed to fit for her very well. Finch is going to be a little different. He's a little bit more rambunctious. He likes to get active in the 2 or 3 in the morning, and there's not a lot of room in a van for a big cat, so that'll be something we're going to have to manage.
Yeah, he used to be an outdoor cat, so I think he likes to explore, and so we're going to have to see how we can manage to take him out on a leash, and yeah, so it'll be interesting anyway.
Yeah, we'll hopefully get to share some of that with you.
So now we have a little, very short montage, a video montage with some music of some of the hikes and walks that we did that Gordon talked about earlier, and we hope you enjoy that.
there's an icy set of stairs. Fortunately, we're both wearing our micro spikes. You get that nice crunchy noise. So that's it for us for now. We hope we can share some camping adventures in the near future if the weather actually improves a little. In the interim, we're getting jealous of some of our viewers are sending us, which we appreciate, sending us photos or small videos of trips that they're doing right now, and they're down either in southern Nevada or southern Arizona, and they're getting lots of sunshine and warm weather, which is much nicer than what we're seeing here.
Yeah, so we hope all of you are enjoying the start to the new year, and please feel free to share with us any of your travel adventures.
Or your travel plans for 2022.
And if you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and we shall see you next time.
We'll see you next time.